Hi dear students, welcome to Moscow Campus Vision. This is Seema Dudley. Welcome to my another video on data analytics. In this video, we will discuss about the topic HBASE, its features, applications, and its architecture. First of all, we can check what is a HBASE. HBASE is an open source, non-relational distributed database modeled after Google's Big Table and is written in Java. It is developed as a part of Apache Software Foundation's Apache Hadoop project and runs on the top of HDFS, that is Hadoop Distributed File System. It provides a fault-tolerant way of storing large quantities of data. And we can say that HBASE is a distributed column-oriented database built on top of the Hadoop file system. It is an open source project and is horizontally scalable. And we use HBASE because RDBMS get slower when the data becomes larger, and also HBASE is a data model that is similar to Google's Big Table, designed to provide quick random access to huge amount of structured data. I have already mentioned that it provides a fault tolerant way of storing large quantities of data, and HBASE is a part of the Hadoop ecosystem that provides random real-time read or write access to data in the Hadoop file system. Now we can check some of the features of HBASE. First one is HBASE is horizontally scalable. That means you can add any number of columns at any time. Second is it has automatic failure support. That is, automatic failover is a resource that allows the system administrator to automatically switch data handling to a standby system in the event of system compromise. And second is it provides consistent read and write. Next is it integrates with Hadoop, that is both as source and as a destination. It has easy Java API for client, and also it provides data replication across clusters. That is, it is designed to run on a cluster of computers built using commodity hardwares. Then some of the applications of HBASE. First one is it is used whenever there is a need to write heavy applications. And next is HBASE is used whenever we need to provide fast random access to available data. Next is companies such as Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, and Adobe uses HBASE internally. The HDFS architecture has three main components: the HMaster or the master server, the region server, and the Zookeeper. And in HBASE, tables are split into regions and are served by the region servers. The regions are vertically divided by column families into stores, and stores are served as files in HDFS. And in the figure, we can see the architecture of HBASE. That is, we'll be having a HMaster, that is a master server, and there will be different region servers. And there is a Zookeeper to control all the process inside the HDFS. So the main components of HBASE is the HMaster or the master server, then the region server, and Zookeeper. We can check the three major components one by one. First one is the master server or the HBASE. The implementation of master server in HBASE is HMaster. and it is a process in which regions are assigned to region server as well as DDL operations. It monitors all region server instances present in the cluster. In a distributed environment, master runs several background threads. HMaster has many features like controlling load balancing, failovers, etc. So next is a region server. Regions are the basic building elements of HBASE cluster that consist of the distribution of tables and are comprised of column families. So regions are nothing but tables that are split up and spread across the region servers. Next, the region server communicate with the client and handle data related operations. The region server handle read and write requests for all the regions under it, and it decides the size of the region by following the region size threshold, and the default size of a region is 256 MB. And here we can see a figure, and in this region server it contains regions and stores. The store contains memory store and H file. That is here memory store, that is mem store is just like a cache. That is നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിന്റെ യൂസ് കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേനും അത് ഇറേസ് ചെയ്യും. അതാണ് memory store. So whenever we enter the data into the HBase, it is stored initially in the memory store. Later it will be saved in the H file as a block, and then the memory store will be cleared. And the last field is the Zookeeper. Zookeeper act like a coordinator. That is, it provides services like maintaining configuration information, then naming, providing distributed synchronization, then server failure notification, etc. And the client communication with region services are also done through Zookeepers. Here is an assignment question. Explain first features of HBase, second one the applications of HBase, and third the architecture of HBase. So complete the assignment in your notebooks and forward it to the email ID provided to you. Thank you.